Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you Safari slowdown on iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max after update iOS 17. Without waste your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. How to fix Safari slow working, slow browsing on iPhone after update iOS 17. Number one is close all tabs. Tap on close all tabs and apply. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is reset Safari browser settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Safari, little bit again scroll up and clear history and website data. Clearing will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed into your iCloud account. Tap on clear history and data. Close all tabs, little bit scroll up again, tap on advanced, tap on website data. If website data is available, tap on edit and delete website data and fix Safari slow working problem. After applying solution number 2, so problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your iOS update. Tap on settings tab, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Tap on settings app, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now change your data connection like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Change Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi, connect another Wi-Fi. Sometimes Wi-Fi is slow working and fix your Wi-Fi slow working Safari problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, now reboot your iOS device. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply reset your Safari browser settings and fix all Safari problems. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Safari slow working on iPhone after update iOS 17 on iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.